Today is Monday, June 6th. It is National Yo-Yo Day. I'm going to take a look at healthcare. This is the healthcare ETF. There's a lot of talk, not formal talk, that healthcare is coming back and leading. Let's just start with the ETF, see what's going on. Here's my regular view. I've got a 50 and 200-day average up there, on balance volume, price relative, or relative performance, or relative strength. So you can see that price is above both moving averages. We've got the 50-day in green crossing above the 200 in red. That's a good thing. All right, down below on balance volume, it's really mirroring price, so nothing special happening there. Price relative, also nothing really special happening there. It's not outperforming over this span. It doesn't look like a breakout. But let's get back to the price action. Let's get rid of these indicators. Don't need them right now. Let's start putting some lines in the chart. Start with a horizontal line, see if we can pinpoint some resistance, and there is your resistance right there. That's a pretty good shot there. It's pretty heavy, so we do not have a breakout in this regard. Let's take a look at a trend line. And there, a little different story. To me, that looks like a breakout here and a test of that breakout with kind of a pause and a fresh breakout. Maybe this, you could call that a bullish wedge in there, a falling wedge. All right, let's get a little more history in here so we can just see how things fit over time. Looks like that the short term, obviously the easy money's gone already. Got the bigger resistance here, so I'd be waiting for a breakout above that resistance for some sort of signal. All right, but that's not where we'll let it lie here, because there's a lot of things happening in healthcare, especially with these small pharmaceuticals. Check this out. I'm going to put back the indicators. Price relatives, very nice. Look at this on balance volume, a new high, even though price is not a new high. So ARIA is doing pretty well. Another one, this one's always in the news, Arena. This looks interesting because you have an improvement here in on-balance volume. So it's slightly rising trend here during this flat period of price. Price relative, nothing going on there. But look what's going on with the averages. So here it is fighting the 200 and the 50-day. It's already above the 50, but that's no big deal. The 200-day right now seems to be a pretty important level. All right, now I'm going to go into a weekly view. I'm going to go back in time, because this thing has been all over the place. Let me get a horizontal line in here. Just at the bottom there, 2010, 2011. And you can see where this thing came down. So everyone who played in here and thought they were making money and thought they were smart, it's all gone. Everything's back to zero, or ground zero, I should say. So pretty big support level right there. Putting it back into daily. So let's draw another resistance line here, and this does look pretty good. Actually, I'm going to have to revise that slightly lower, just in there. Again, I'm just eyeballing, and this is nothing scientific. So it looks like this thing is on the verge of a base breakout. So if you think healthcare is doing better, if you like it, you like these small pharmaceutical companies, this is a chart to watch because it is on the cusp of a nice little breakout. So there you have it. Nothing fancy on healthcare. I don't see anything that's making me run out to buy the general healthcare sector. And just for kicks, let's put up pharmaceutical ETF. I don't know how active this thing is, so we'll forget the indicators. Looking at price action, you got a similar thing going on here with potential or close to a breakout there, as well as potential or close to a base breakout there. So I'd be looking at the drug stocks, possibly the smaller ones. This ETF covers the big ones, but I would look at the smaller ones, and there's probably some opportunity there.